Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken mushroom pasta with Alfredo sauce. This is a super easy 30-minute meal that tastes completely over the top. This creamy pasta is going to be your new favorite, I'm telling you. Now, let's get things going. Cook the pasta in a pot of salted water according to package directions. Then drain and set aside. Chop the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Season with salt and pepper. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chicken and sauté until golden and cook through for about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. To the same preheated pan, add onion, garlic, and mushrooms. Sauté, stirring frequently for about 5 minutes. Add the chicken stock and simmer over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes until it reduces by half. Stir in the heavy cream, ground Parmesan, and mix until combined and creamy. Add the chicken back into the pan and sprinkle with freshly chopped parsley. Turn the heat off and stir in the cooked pasta. Delicious! I love this pasta, and I know you will too. Now go make it already. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!